Chapter 4 Multiplication and Division. Problem set 14. So here we have first sum is multiplication. So 327 multiplied by 92. So in this pattern you have to write 327 and then 92. So always first take the last digit 2. यहाँ assume करो सिर्फ 2 है. So 2 sevens are 14. So 14. See, 2 sevens are 14. So this 4, this last digit you have to write here. ये जो last digit है वो यहाँ आप यहाँ लिखेंगे 4. And this 1 is in tens place. So ये unit से यहाँ tens आया. तो ये 1 जो है यहाँ पे आएगा. 1 will stand here. So now 2 2s are 4. You will multiply 2 2s are 4. And this 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Then 2 3s are 6. Okay. So 2 is over. 2 का multiplication क्या हो गया. तो मन में उसको कैंसिल कर देना है. सब मन में करना है. और उसका जितना भी कैरी हुआ है उसको भी मन में कैंसिल कर देना. देन 9. अच्छा ये यूनिट प्लेस हो गया मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो यहाँ पे 0 आएगा. नाउ वी विल गो टू 10 प्लेस. ये 92 है, 10 का प्लेस है. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 10 प्लेस. 9 sevens are 63. So 3 will come here and 6 will go. See 9 sevens are 63. तो 3 लिखे यहाँ पे. और जो 60 t यानी 10. तो ये 10 का प्लेस है. तो यहाँ पे आया वो 6. ओके. So now 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 is how much? 24. So 4 again. See 24 आया ना. So ये लास्ट डिजिट है 4 यहाँ लिखा. और ये जो 2 है अब यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे थे ना. तो इसके बाद वाले में जाएगा 2. So now 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 2 28 29. Now this and this we have to do addition. So 4 plus 0 4. 5 plus 3 8. 6 plus 4 10. 9 10. 1 carry 3. Second sums 807 multiplied by 126. So let's see how to solve. Now see 3 digit multiplication. So first unit 6 sevens are 42. So 42. 2 here and 4 will carry over here. 6 zeros are 0 plus 4 4. 6 8s are 48. Now 6 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो गया. सो मन में उसको कैंसिल करो. और वॉट एवर कैरी वॉज देयर उससे जितना भी कैरी हुआ उसको भी कैंसिल. एंड सिंस यूनिट प्लेस हो गया वी विल गो नाउ टू टेंथ प्लेस. सो यहाँ एक 0 पुट ऑन कर देंगे. नाउ 2 sevens are 14 ऐसे लिखते हैं. तो 4 विल कम हियर. 2 sevens are 14 और 1 विल कम हियर. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 1. 2 8s are 16. Now सी 2 का भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो गया. 2 को भी मन में ऐसे कैंसिल करो और उससे जितना भी कैरी हुआ है उसको मन में कैंसिल करो. नाउ वी विल गो टू 100 प्लेस. यूनिट टेंस 100. 1 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा यानी यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो ये जो यूनिट और ये टेंस है वहाँ 0 आ जाएगा. एंड नाउ दिस 100 प्लेस. सो 1 sevens are 7. 1 zeros are 0. 1 8s are 8. ओके. ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऐसे यूनिट टेंस 100 इस तरीके से करेंगे. सो यू वोंट गेट रॉन्ग. नाउ वी हैव टू डू एडिशन ऑफ ऑल 3 लाइन्स. सो 2 plus 0 plus 0 2. 4 plus 4 8. ये तो 0 है. नाउ 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 8 16. 1 carry. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 1 11. 8 9 10. This is the answer. Third sums 567 multiplied by 890. So now let's see. Now last digit is 0, unit place. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 से कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करो सो वो 0 ही होएगा. सो 0 7 ज़ा 0, 0 6 ज़ा 0, 0 5 ज़ा 0. सी इसी तरह से यूनिट टेंस हंड्रेड प्लेस करने हैं. सो यू वोंट गेट रॉन्ग. अब यूनिट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो गया. वी विल गो टू टेंस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो टेंस प्लेस इज 9. 9 7 ज़ा 63. सो 3 यहाँ पे, 6 इधर. 9 6 ज़ा 54 प्लस 6 60. 9 5 ज़ा 45 plus 6 51. Then okay, abhi now we have to multiply 8. So unit place 0, tens place 0, 8 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अच्छा, ये पहले वाला कैरी ओवर कैंसिल कर देंगे. ना 8 7 ज़ा 7 8 ज़ा 56, 6 5 कैरी. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 5 53, 5 carry. Now 8 5 are 40, 40 plus 5 45. So multiplication over. Now we have to do addition. So all zeros, then 3, then 6, then 4, then 10, then 5. Now fourth sums, 4317 multiplied by 824. So let's see how to solve. First place them properly and then from unit place last digit 4 7s are 28, 2 carry. 4 1s are 4 5 6, 4 3s are 12, 2 1 carry. 4 4s are 16 17. Then plus and 0. 2 7s are, now see 4 is done. So in your mind cancel them and all the carryover also you have to cancel. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Now 2 is also done. So we will go to 8. So now 8 7s are, before going to 8 we have to add here 0 and 0. Now this is 8, hundreds place. 8 7s are 56. So 5 will come below 1, above 1, sorry. 8 1s are 8 plus 5 13. 1 carry. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. 2 carry. 8 4s are 32 plus 2 34. Now multiplication is done. Now we have to do addition. So here 8 6 plus 4 10. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12. 7 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 3 17, 8 9 10, 10 15, 5 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 3 zeros are 0, 2 will come down, 3 6 are 18. Now 3 unit place हो गया. Now is this. So 0 2s are 0, 0 9s are 0, 0 0s are 0, 0 6 are 0. Then 2. So this 2 will get 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 1, 2 6 are 12. Multiplication done. Now addition. 6 7 6 16 3 2 1. 6 sums. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63 plus 6 69. 9 ones are 9 plus 6, 15. 9 ones are 9, 10. Then now 9 is over, all this carry cancel. So we will now multiply tens place, so unit will get 0. 9 sevens are, see 9 वापस आया ना, तो यही चीज़ रिपीट होगा. हमने 9 से अभी मल्टीप्लाई किया था, so again 9 is there, so same will repeat. So you can copy down simply, or if you want to do multiplication again. Now see, 3 plus 0, 3. 9 plus 3, 12. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15. 5 plus 1, 6. 1, 1. Now 7 sums. 7 6 are 42. 7 5 are 35 plus 4, 39. 7 4 are 28, 29, 30, 31. 8 6 are 48. Okay, now see, previous carryover you can cancel. Now we are in tens place, so 8 6 are 48, 4 carry. 8 5 are 40 plus 4, 44. 8 4 are 32 plus 4, 36. So now this 1 we have to multiply from here, so this and this will get 0. 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 1 4 are 4. 2, 10, 12, 10, 15, 8. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36, 36, 37, 38. 9 5s are 45, 48. 9 6s are 54 plus 4, 58. Now all units place will get cancelled. We have to do tens place. So 7 3s are 21, 2 carry. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30. 7 5s are 35, 38. Then 7 6s are 42 plus 3, 45. And now we have to do addition. 7 plus 0, 7, 9, 8, 16, 11, 5. This is the answer. 2 6 are 12. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 3 6 are 18. So 3 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Now we have to do 8's multiplication. So 3 will get 0, 2 will get 0. 8 6 are 48. 8 zeros are 0 plus 4, 4. 8 3s are 24. 2 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. So 2, 9, 15, 18. Now 10 sums. 9 9s are 81. 9 2s are 18 plus 8, 26. 2 carry. 9 4s are 36 plus 2, 38. 3 carry. 9 6 are 54 plus 3, 57. Then tens place is 0. So all 4 digit will be 0 because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Now 100 place. So this and this will get 0. 5 9s are 45. 4 carry, 5 2s are 10 and 4 14, 1 carry, 5 4s are 20, 21, 2 carry, 5 6 are 30, 32. So now 1 6 13, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 6 7 2 3. 11 sums. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 plus 1 25, 8 fours are 32, 34. Okay, did you all notice ये कैसे 1 2 3 4 सीक्वेंस में गया. So यूनिट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो गया, कैंसल ऑल दी कैरी ओवर. नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई टेंस, तो ये यूनिट में आएगा 0. नाउ 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 7 3s are 21, 22, 2 carry, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30. Now we will multiply here, so this and this will get 0 and all the carryovers. Now 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 19, 1 carry, 6 4s are 24, 25. So 8, 13, 16, 9, 12, 9 and 2. Last one, 7 4s are 28, 2 carry, 7 zeros are 0 plus 2 2, 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 7 0 0 plus 2, 7 2s are 14, 4 8s are 32, 3 carry, 8 zeros are 0 plus 3 3, 8 3s are 24, 2 carry, 8 zeros are 0, 2, 8 2s are 16. So multiplication over 2 plus 2 4, 4 6 6 7 1. Okay, word problem. As a part of the Avoid Plastic campaign, each of 745 students made 25 paper bags. What was the total number of paper bags made? Now see, you have to start like this. Number of student, this much. Bags prepared by student, 25. So total number of bags prepared. Here you have to do multiplication. देखो इतने स्टूडेंट थे और इतने पेपर्स, इतने ना एक एक बच्चों ने बनाया है. सो टोटल इतने बच्चों ने कितना बनाया, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22, 5 7s are 35, 36, 37. So now tens place, so here will come 0, this and this get cancelled. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 7s are 14, 5 2 16, 8 1. So total number of bags prepared were 18,625. Third sums. In a plantation, saplings of 215 medicinal trees have been planted in each of the 132 rows of trees. How many saplings are there in the plantation altogether? Saplings in each row is how much? 215. एक लाइन में कितने saplings लगे, छोटे छोटे पौधे, और रोज कितने हैं? 132. सो टोटल कितने प्लांट्स लगे, कितने सैपलिंग्स लगे? सो 2 5s are 10, 1 कैरी, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 2s are 4. देन ये कैंसल, 3 5s are 15, 1 कैरी, 3 1s are 3 4, 3 2s are 6. So now we will go to 1. So this and this will get 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. Now addition. So 0, 5 plus 3, 8, 4, 9, 13, 6, 7, 8 and 2. So total number of saplings all together 28,380 saplings in the plantation. One computer cost 27,540 rupees. How much will 18 such computer cost? So cost of a computer this much, numbers of computer this much. So let's do multiplication. बोल रहे एक कंप्यूटर का इतना प्राइस है, तो 18 कंप्यूटर का कितना प्राइस होगा? सो 8 0 ज़ा 0, 8 4 ज़ा 32, 8 5 ज़ा 40 प्लस 3 43, 7 8 ज़ा 56 प्लस 4 60, 8 2 ज़ा 16 प्लस 6 22, 1 0 ज़ा 0, 1 4 ज़ा 4, 1 5 ज़ा 5, 1 7 ज़ा 7, 1 2 ज़ा 2. Now addition 0 2, 4 plus 3 7, 5, 7 8 9, 4. So cost of 18 such computer is 4,95,720. Okay. Fifth sums. Under the Inspire Award schemes, 5,000 rupees per student were granted for the purchase of science project materials. If 154 students in a certain taluka were covered under the scheme, find the total amount granted to that taluka. Now what they are saying कि यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे, द अमाउंट गिवन टू 154 स्टूडेंट, अमाउंट गिवन टू 1 स्टूडेंट, एक बच्चे को स्कीम के हिसाब से 5,000 मिल रहा है, तो इतने बच्चों को कितना मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ना सी वेन एवर यू हैव ज़ीरोज़, जब भी आपके पास ज़ीरो होगा ना, तो वो ज़ीरोज़ डायरेक्टली ऐड हो जाता है. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिर्फ नंबर से होता है, मीन्स ये लास्ट में ज़ीरो है ना, सो ये कुछ ऐसा मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हो इंटू 5, बिकॉज ये ज़ीरोज़ तो अपने आप ऐड हो जाएगा. सो लाइक दिस ज़ीरो विल गेट ऐड. सो 5 4 ज़ा 20, ये ऐसा होगा 5 4 ज़ा 20, 2 कैरी, 5 5 ज़ा 25, 26 27, 2 कैरी, 5 ज़ा 5 6 7. सो इस आंसर इज 7,70,000. 7,70,000 rupees was granted to that taluka. Okay. Now next sum, sixth. The cost of a certain two-wheelers is rupees 53,670. How much will 35 such two-wheeler cost? The cost of one two-wheeler, एक टू व्हीलर व्हीकल का इतना प्राइस है. अगर 35 टू व्हीलर्स होंगे तो कितना? सो 5 0 ज़ा 0, 5 7 ज़ा 35, 5 6 ज़ा 30, 33, 5 3 ज़ा 15, 18, 1 कैरी, 5 5 ज़ा 25, 26, 3 0 ज़ा 0, 3 7 ज़ा 21. So 1 carry, 3 6 ज़ा 18, 19, sorry, 3 7 ज़ा 21, 2 carry, 3 6 ज़ा 18, 19, 20, here 0 will come, then 19 20, 2 will carry, 3 3 ज़ा 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 3 5 ज़ा 15, 16. So addition 0 5 4 8 7 8 1. So the cost of 35 such two-wheeler is 18,78,450. 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. How many seconds do 365 hours have? So here what they are saying that 1 hour, 1 घंटे में अगर इतने सेकेंड्स है, ओके हम लोग बोलते हैं ना 1 मिनट है 60 सेकेंड, सो 1 आवर मतलब 60 मिनट हुआ, तो 60 मिनट का 3600 सेकेंड्स. सो दैट मीन्स उनको चाहिए इतने आज का कितना होगा. सो 5 0 0, 5 0 0, 5 6 30, 5 3 15, 16 17 18. ओके, सो 5 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो गया 6, 6 0 0, 6 0 0, 6 6 36, then 6 3 18, 19 20 21. This also done. Tens place, unit place 10. Now 3 0 0, 3 0 0, 3 6 18, 1 carry, 3 3 9 and 1 10. 0 0 0, 8 9 10 11. So 3 and 1. So that means this much second you can write 13,14,000 seconds are there in 365 hours. 8 sums. Frame a multiplication word problem with the numbers 5,473 and 627 and solved it. So first यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं, आप लोग खुद ही क्वेश्चन बनाओ अपने लिए. So cost of 1 tab is rupees this 5,473. आप कुछ भी अपने मन से बना सकते हो. हाँ, सो यू कैन मेक क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू what is the total cost of 627 such tabs. So now solution. So therefore the cost of one tab 5473, 5,407. So numbers of tabs 627. So multiplication 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 7 7s are 49, 50 51, 7 4s are 28, 29 30 33, 7 5s are 35 plus 3 38. So unit multiplication is done. We will go to tens, so it will become 0 and all carry will get cancelled. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. See, 2 7s are 14, so jo 1 will carry over here. 2 4s are 8 9, 2 5s are 10. Now this is also done. We will go to 100 place. So 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, so 1 will carry over here. 6 sevens are 42 plus 1 43. So 6 fours are 6 fours are 24 and 4 28, 2 carry, 6 fives are 30, 32. So we have to do addition. 1 plus 0 0 1, 6 plus 1 7, 12 13 14 15, 9 plus 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 18, plus 3 21, 8 plus 2 10, plus 3 13, 2 3 4 and 3. So cost of, therefore the total cost of 627 tabs rupees 34,31,571. Okay. 9 sums. Find the product of the biggest 4-digit number and the biggest 3-digit number. So first, biggest 4-digit number. Now see, our number start from 0 and 1 2 3 and that's 9. These are the numbers 0 to 9. So smallest, 0 has no value, so smallest is the 1 and biggest is the 9. And now what they are saying, 4-digit number. So biggest 4-digit number will be, this is 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit. So this is the biggest 4-digit number. And what they want, biggest 3 digit. So 3 digit, biggest 3-digit number nine. So here simply we have to do multiplication. 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 81 plus 8 89. So 8 carry, 9 9s are 81 plus 8 89, 8 carry, 9 9s are 81 plus 8 89. Then this will become 0, we will go to this. So 9 9 अभी देखो तीनों सेम है 9 9 9. So यही चीज़ रिपीट होगा. So directly you can copy from here. See 1 9 9 9 and 8. So अभी ये third digit. So ये this 2 will become 0. Again you repeat here 9 9 9 and 8. Okay. Why? Because सेम डिजिट है डिनोमिनेटर में, सो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वही आएगा. नाउ 1 10, 1 कैरी, 20, 2 कैरी, 9 3 is 27, 28 29, 2 कैरी, 28, 2 कैरी, 19, 1 कैरी, 9. So this is the number. So product equals to 99,89,001. 10 sums. The cost per traveler of a certain journey is this much. एक इंसान का इतना कॉस्ट है ट्रैवलिंग का. What will be the cost for 26 traveler for such a journey? फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आप लोग विलेज जा रहे हो या कहीं टूर पे जा रहे हो, सो एक लोगों का इतना पैसा होगा. सो 26 लोगों का कितना. सो नाउ 6 zeros are 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39, 6 7s are 42 plus 3 45. So this cancel here 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 13, 1. Carry 2 7 are 14, 15. 0 0 9 8 9 1. So the total cost will be this much rupees. Okay.